Hello, I'm Cameron. This is my 61B Project Zero extra credit. So, in discussion 2 has inspired me to create a controllable Nyan Cat in space. And so my first thought was to create a separate class for this Nyan Cat, but I decided that I'd be copying a lot of the force classes from the planet class. And so I decided to create the Nyan Cat as just a special planet. And as you can see, it abides by certain all the gravitational methods that we implemented. And what I did is I added the Nyan Cat as a special, as a last planet in the text field. So when the NBody extreme read in the text file, it knew where the Nyan Cat was. And so that's how I was able to keep track of the planet. And then I used the STD library to listen for 6 different keys. So it was able to listen for the arrow keys. And the arrow keys, when I was listening for the arrow keys, it would manipulate the X forces and Y forces arrays that we created in Project Zero to allow the Nyan Cat to move. So you can see in the terminal that the arrow keys will respond based on what I press. So if I can go up, and I can go down, right, and left, and space is like a break that I have. And also if I go off the screen like that, I can bring the cat back just by pressing R. And I was able to get the Nyan Cat to rotate by using an overloaded class in the Planet Extreme class. Sorry, an overloaded method. And I was able to use the velocity vectors and variables and the arctangent method from the math library to figure out the specific rotation. And I learned that arctangent is calculated really weirdly in Python compared to what you learn in normal math classes. And this doesn't just work for this specific universe. We can go to another universe, say this one right here, the Armageddon, and it'll work properly. The arrow keys will work and the brake will work. And I can also reset the cat, as I will do soon. But it'll also abide by all the gravitational laws that we created in Project Zero. And so yeah, that is my project, my extra credit. I would have liked to implement some inelastic collisions. That would have been cool, and then have some explosions, but I didn't have time for that. But I did have time to animate the Nyan Cat's tail, so I thought that was cool and interesting. Alright, thank you.